In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document from a Google Docs template in Make. We'll walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way so you can automatically generate customized documents using information coming from a previous step in your workflow. This is especially useful when you want to save time, reduce manual copy and paste, and keep your documents consistent every single time. To begin, open your Google Docs tab in Chrome and create your master template document. This document will act as the base file that Make will use whenever it generates a new version. Inside that template, add placeholder tags wherever dynamic information should appear. For example, you might use something like double curly brace tags to represent fields that will later be replaced with real data. The important part here is to keep your tags clear, consistent, and easy to recognize, because these exact placeholders will be matched inside Make during the mapping process. Once your template is ready, move over to Make and add the Google Docs module called Create a Document from a Template. This is the module responsible for taking your master document and producing a new file based on it. If this is your first time using Google Docs in Make, make sure your Google account is already connected properly so the platform can access your files. After adding the module, select your master template file from the linked Google Drive folder. Be careful to choose the correct document, especially if you have several similar templates stored in the same location. It helps to give your master template a clear file name so it's easy to identify later. This step tells Make exactly which document should be used as the source for every generated copy. Next, map your incoming data into the corresponding template fields. This is where the automation becomes personalized. For each placeholder tag in the document, assign the matching data string from the previous module or data source. The key here is precision. Each mapped value should align exactly with the field it is meant to replace in the template. If a tag in your document and a field in Make do not match properly, the output may be incomplete or incorrect. As a final tip, review your tags and mappings carefully before running the scenario. Even small formatting differences can affect the result. Once everything is connected correctly, Make will be able to generate polished documents automatically from your template using the data you provide. That's how to build a master Google Docs template and turn it into an efficient document automation workflow in Make.